a special Bengali dish. It's called Sorshe Chingri. For that we have taken firstly chingri prawns. We've got some of these beautiful tiger prawns that we saw in the market, and they were very fresh. So I got them home, cleaned, cut, taken out the dirt and de-shelled them, but I've always left the head because the head will give you special flavor. With it we have taken some turmeric, chili, Sorshe obviously. So what I've done today is I've taken powdered Sorshe. I've put a little bit water in it, some salt and some lemon, just so that it removes the bitter flavor of it. If you guys want to use fresh or whole Sorshe mustard, you can do that. Best is to blend them. When you're blending the mustard, soak them overnight and then blend them with salt, turmeric, chili and some coconut. If you don't have coconut, no worries at all, you can use it without coconut. Right, apart from that, for dry spices, all we need is a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of turmeric powder and some salt for the taste. I will now show you the ingredients. Here you can see we have some beautiful prawns, de-shelled, deveined, marinated with a little bit of salt and turmeric. Here I have is the mustard paste. So I've used white mustard in this, and we have here, we've got some chili, some chili powder, red chili powder, I've got some turmeric and also a lemon. Don't know whether I'll use it or not. We have a little bit of salt, and right guys, so now we are ready. I've put mustard oil, garam ho gaya. I will just fry the prawns in batches. Quick. Fry for them. Prawns don't need cooking much. They get cooked very fast. If you overcook the prawns, they will just become hard and tough. Not good to eat, not good to taste. So we're done frying the prawns. Here you have all the beautiful orange golden color fried prawns. Now we have started the remaining of the oil. We add some salt, turmeric, some red chili powder, give it a little fry. We add in your split green chilies, and with it we put in the mustard paste. Beautiful aroma of the mustard cooking. This is one of the fastest recipes. You don't need to do much. Let the mustard just cook in a little bit. And then we just add in your prawns. We just add in a little water.